National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for Clayton County in north-central Georgia, southwestern DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, northern Fayette County in north-central Georgia, south-central Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 6:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Radar indicating thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Atlanta, Decatur, Fayetteville, Jonesboro, East Point, Stockbridge, Union City, Forest Park, Riverdale, College Park, Fairburn, Tyrone, Morrow, Hapeville, Palmetto, Lake City, Hartsfield Jackson Airport, Grand Park Zoo Atlanta, Candler, McAfee, and Blue Hills. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
At midnight in Peachtree City. At midnight,
for the tournament to kick off. Also, let's not forget that it's the first time that we're going from 8.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for Clayton County in north-central Georgia, southwestern DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, northern Fayette County in north-central Georgia, central Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 6:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Atlanta, Decatur, Fayetteville, Jonesboro, East Point, Stockbridge, Union City, Forest Park, Riverdale, College Park, Fairburn, Tyrone, Morrow, Hapeville, Palmetto, Lake City, Hartsfield Jackson Airport, Grand Park Zoo Atlanta, Candler, McAfee, and Blue Hills. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
We've seen